So, rate cut drama, tariff tension, and tech stocks doing their thing. Welcome to Thursday on Wall Street. Hey everyone, it's Friday morning, June 13th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Before we get started, a quick note, today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital Asset Management Frankfurt. For tailored investment solutions and top-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. U.S. stocks moved higher yesterday, even as the news flow was a bit of a roller coaster. The Dow climbed just over 0.2%, even though Boeing dragged after a deadly plane crash in India. The Standard & Poor's 500 was up nearly 0.4%, and the Nasdaq gained around 0.2%, helped out big time by Oracle, which jumped 13%. Now, what's driving the action? Well, President Trump went back to calling for a jumbo rate cut from the Fed. He reportedly told Fed Chair Jerome Powell something like, "Look, if inflation rises again, fine, raise rates. But right now it's low and we're refinancing, so cut them." He also made it clear, again, that he's not firing Powell, but might force something if the Fed doesn't act. Classic pressure. Meanwhile, the US dollar sank to its lowest point in 3 years. That's thanks to a combo of Trump's renewed tariff threats and weak inflation numbers. Wholesale inflation came in lower than expected, right after consumer inflation also showed price pressures easing. That's giving the Fed even more to chew on before next week's policy meeting. Now, markets are starting to price in rate cuts again, especially for September, but most experts still think the Fed will stay cautious for now and wait for more economic data. At the same time, investors are still watching Trump's tariff policy like a hawk. He said U.S. trading partners will be getting letters in the next week or two about new tariff levels, kind of a take it or leave it message. But Treasury Secretary Bessent tried to calm things down, saying it's highly likely the current tariff pause, set to expire July 9th, will be extended. So yeah, the Fed's under pressure, tariffs are back in focus, and traders are walking that fine line between hope and confusion. That's your quickie for today. See you tomorrow.